x power 3 equal to 4 power 3. So what is the value of x? So power are equal, so base are equal. X is equal to 4, everybody know. So what is the other two imaginary value of x? Now let's go to the solution. X power 3 equal to 4 power 3. X power 3 minus 4 power 3 equal to 0. A power 3 minus b power 3 equal to a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. So x power 3 minus 4 power 3 equal to x minus 4 x squared plus 4 times x plus 16. X minus 4 x squared plus 4x plus 16 equal to 0. Find out the two imaginary value of x minus 4 and x. Here 4 by 2 plus or minus root of 4 by 2 whole squared minus 16. 4 by 2 equal to 2 plus or minus root of 2 squared 4 minus 16. 2 plus or minus root of minus 12. 2 plus or minus I root 12. Here minus 1 equal to root of minus 1 equal to I. So x plus 2 plus I root 12 comma x plus 2 minus I root 12 equal to 0. So x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 4. 1. X plus 2 plus I root 12 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 2 plus I root 12 equal to 2. X plus 2 minus I root 12 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 minus I root 12 equal to 3 value. Now verify the value. Minus 2 plus I root 12 equal to 4. Here minus 2 minus I root 12 equal to 4. So minus 2 into minus I root 12 equal to 4. Adding to both sides. So minus I root 12 equal to 6. Minus I equal to 6 by root 12. 6 can be written root of 36 by root 12 equal to 3 into 12 root of by root of 12. Minus I equal to, so minus I equal to root 3 into root 12 by root 12. So root 12 cancels. Minus I equal to root 3. I equal to minus root 3. And here minus 2 plus I root 12 equal to 4. So I root 12 equal to 4 plus 2. I equal to 6 by root 12. I equal to root of 36 by root 12. So I equal to root 3 into root 12 by root 12. So here I equal to root 3. So we got the value I of minus root 3 and plus root 3. In this way, x power 3 minus 4 power 3 has 3 value and I equal to plus or minus root of 3.